In this tutorial, I'll create a function which uses a select case structure in Excel. So to create a function, you go to the developer tab, then go to Visual Basic. Now create a module. There write your function. Function name, I'll give it as a grade. So I'm going to get the student's grade based on their marks. Here I need to give one argument, that is a marks. We are passing the marks to the function, and in return you will be getting the grades. So marks we should declare as integer because it will assume only integer values. So I'll declare marks as integer, and then this grade we should declare as string. So grade is the function name. So in when you call this function is going to return a value that's a grade that should be declared as string. So I'll declare a grade as string. Now the function structure is created. Now you need to write the code. So marks is declared. Now using the marks you should get the grade. So let us use a select case structure. I'm getting the marks as an argument. Now based on the marks we should decide the grade. So I'll now use a select case structure. Select case marks. So based on the marks I'm going to decide which grade the students get. Case is greater than or equal to 90, grade equal to O, that stands for outstanding. So when it is greater than or equal to 90, the grade is outstanding. Now I'll copy this. Now case is when it is greater than or equal to 80, the grade is yes, that is excellent. Then again, when the marks scored is greater than 70, the grade is A. That is when the marks is between 70 and 80. 70 and up to 79, it is going to be a grade A. Greater than or equal to 60, grade is B. And when it is greater than equal to 50, greater than or equal to 50, grade is C. And when it is greater than or equal to 45, grade is D. That is 45 to 49, grade is D. And 40 to 44, the grade is E. Else, grade is F. That means if it's not coming to any of these categories, that is if the marks is below 40, the grade is going to be F, which stands for failure. So the student fails. If a student gets F grade, that means he fails. So this is a grading system under VTU. And finally you can end this select case and select. So this completes the function, and here marks is the what you are checking in the select case. So the marks is getting as an argument. So user has to enter the marks when you call this grade function. So the marks is passed to the function as an argument, and using these marks it will decide the grade. So if the marks is greater than or equal to 90, grade is outstanding, and between 80 and 89. So if it's from 80 to 89, the grade is yes, and 70 to 79, grade is A, and like that grades are decided. And if marks is less than 40, the grade is F. That means the student fails. So this is a function using the select case structure. Now we can close this VBA editor, and you can call this function in the Excel file. So I'll increase the font size here to get the visibility. So I'll call the function here. Our function is grade. So you can see that grade function here. So you can select it. Now I'll test this. I'll give marks as 92. After giving the marks 92, you can press enter. So you are getting the grade as O. So this is the grade O. So let me check this in another cell. Equal to grade. I'll enter 32. So that means students fails. So this is a function using the select case structure to get the grade of a student by giving the marks as input. This is how you create a function in Excel using the select case structure. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching.